very dramatic. Black on white, black on beige going on there. All right, let me finish this hand. Finger after finger after finger. All it is, if you say you can't draw hands, just draw one finger at a time. And by the way, if you don't want AI to take your art job away from you, you better learn how to draw hands, because AI is still not able to draw hands. So if you want to keep your art job safe, work on your hands. Work on drawing those hands. Maybe I'll wait a little. Maybe I'll draw a few more wrinkles. Because wrinkles are fun. Keep your iron away from my wrinkles. I'm going to draw as many wrinkles as I can. Don't straighten out my wrinkles. So I will not be streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow, something's going on in the house. My wife is leaving the house, so I'm going to be alone with my son. I'm going to need all the attention that I could possibly pay to him. So in other words, no streaming. Ooh, too much ink right there. There's something about just black on white, stark contrast without any tick lines. Something very appealing about that. Not that I'm not gonna. Do not be fooled. I will be drawing tick lines on these folds. It's all up to the artist whether or not the artist wants to do stark black and white sharp contrast or use rendering. It's all depends on what you want. To each his own. But since everything else has been rendered, I can't change things now. It would look very out of place if I chose not to render this robe.